Hey guys, this is Miguel Adam from edigitaltips.com. So today, you guys, I think you're looking for how to create a logo maker, or you're looking for a logo maker. So I'm going to show you a quick way. If you don't have really much time to create it yourself, I have a perfect website for you. You probably heard it, but I just want to reinforce the fact that this site is actually a very good site. So if you go to Fiverr.com, simply go to Fiverr.com. And once you are at Fiverr, it's going to be loading. Once you go to Fiverr, you just look for logo design, right? And then after that, you can have filter, right? If you have a budget, you can say, I don't want to spend more than 10 bucks. And then you click enter. It's going to show you the type of logo you can have for under $10. You're going to have a logo probably designed for, I don't know, let's just say about 3 to 4 days at the most. You'll have an excellent logos for your website and stuff like this. I encourage you to just play around a little bit, because you have a lot of different sellers out there. You can click by sort by relevance. You can click by best selling, the newest arrival, right? And you just check it out, right? Because there's plenty of them. But my small recommendations for you guys, when you're looking for someone to create your logos, go look at the reviews and look to see how many ratings they have. If they have a 5, that's excellent. But 4.9, it's excellent as well, especially when you have 1,000 reviews. So you can click on this guy here. If this guy is interesting you, this girl, and then you scroll down. And then after that, just go read a little bit of what people are saying, right? So this is what you want to look for. Just look at the reviews. Look to the average of delivery time, especially if you're in a hurry. But sometimes he has some upgrade that you can have as well. So if you want to have faster, you can check to see if he has something to select. But go with the basic, have a logo, and be professional online. And that's about it, guys. That's all I wanted to share with you today. So it was Miguel Adam from eDigital Tips. Have yourself an amazing day. Take care. Bye.